In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work with the TechDraw Workbench, how to create pages, views, and projections, and how to use annotations, and how to export the 2D drawing into PDF, DFX, as well as SVG files. This is a gear which we created from our previous tutorial. I'm going to use this to draw the 2D sketch using the TechDraw Workbench. In here you select the TechDraw Workbench from the drop-down menu, and we could create a page. Also we could create a template, which is an existing page. I'm going to click this A4 landscape. Minimal. This is where you're going to draw the views of the gear. Just click the body. You just click on insert view. Now the object is imported into the viewport. You can just drag this onto this corner. You can scale the design, set the scale into custom. You can increase the scaling factor. You can also use these projections to create another aspects or another views of this gear. But I'm going to stick with this manual views, and also create the body and insert another view. Apply the same process here. I'm going to rotate this one down. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to drag this over here for now. Okay. And now I'm going to bring this isometric view into the sketching diagram. You just click an active view, click on this button, click OK. And you just go back to the sketching diagram. Now it's here. You can reposition it. You can also change the label here. You can label it as isometric view. Bring it up a little bit. Okay, now let's work on the top view of the gear. You can use, I'm going to draw a cosmetic circle. Just click on this center of the gear and also this outer vertex. Here you created this cosmetic circle. It is helpful when it comes to identifying the radius or the diameter of the gear. And also I'm going to draw another cosmetic circle. Okay, perfect. And now I'm going to use the dimensions. You have to click the circumference of the circle. And also this cosmetic circle. As well as this outer cosmetic circle. About here. So these are the basic construction shapes for this gear. And this is the radius. The radius for the outer circle. You can reposition the gear. Also, you can change the label. I'm gonna add top view. Let's work on the side profile. I'm going to use the dimension. I'm going to click this vertex and this vertex. Insert the horizontal dimension. I'm going to again click this vertex, and you can also click D on your keyboard. It automatically triggers the dimension tool. So come down here, click both vertices. And automatically assign the height. So I'm going to repeat the same process. The fillet radius about 1.25 millimeters. And also the base of this gear. Click on both vertices. You can right click, toggle the frame selection. And you can reposition the drawings. Again, you toggle the frames. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use annotations. Click on this A icon. and toggle the frame selection. You can drag this annotation because I'm going to use this annotation for the side profile. You can rename it. I'm going to create another annotation and just bring it over here. And also I'm going to rename it as a top view. And also the last one for this isometric view. Let's type isometric. Now toggle frame. So this is basically how you can create the text drawing. You can also change these properties. Such as the gear or the title, the document type, general tolerance, part material. So for demonstration, I'm going to edit the approved by. I'm going to insert as XIVIX University. Click OK. And created by XIVIX Tutor. Click OK. And we toggle the frame. You can export this as a SVG file. I'm going to give it a name SVG gear draw. Click save. Also, I'm going to export this as a DFX file. Let's name it gear draw DXF. Last but not least, you can also export it as a PDF file. I'm going to draw PDFX. Just remove this DX part. You can see those files. I'm gonna click on the first DXF file. So this is the DXF view of our gear. And I'm going to show you the PDF. Includes every aspect that we worked on, all the dimensions. And next, the SVG file. So that's basically how you create a 2D drawing for your model using the TechDraw workbench. Alright, now we have come to the end of the 9th video tutorial in the FreeCAD tutorial series. So we hope that you have learned something new, and if you have not watched the previous videos in the series, I highly recommend you to watch those so you'll have a better understanding of what we were doing this whole time. And consider subscribing to our XIVIX University channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we post our next video tutorials.